everyone, I am your host Ayushi Kara Sethia and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. In this video we are going to learn how you can create Freedcamp tasks from GitHub issues automatically. So first let us understand what these software applications are all about. So GitHub is an online software development platform and Freedcamp is a project management software. So the idea here is that whenever a new issue is created into your GitHub account, using the details of the issue, a new task could get created into your Freedcamp account because your technical and your support team is using Freedcamp and they can stay responsive to the issues. For this, we need to create a connection between GitHub and Freedcamp. So in order to create a connection, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating GitHub with Freedcamp automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So let us learn the integration process now on my screen. So welcome back to my screen. Here let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes. And you are going to get 100 tasks free every month. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as GitHub to Freedcamp integration. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on create. Now we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want to create Freedcamp task from the GitHub issues. So let's open this trigger window and let us select the application name as GitHub. Select the trigger event as issues. Click on connect. Click on add new connection and click on connect with GitHub. Now as I am already logged into my GitHub account, it is asking me to authorize Pabbly Connect. So let's click on authorize Pabbly. Authorization successful, and now the GitHub account is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select the owner name which is automatically captured as Pabbly. In my case, you have to select your owner name and here you have to select your repository name. So I'll take you to my GitHub account where I have already created many repositories over here. So I want to select this Pabbly software repository right here. Okay, so I want to create the issue in this particular repository. So I'll just select the same repository name over here, that is Pabbly software. And let's click on save and send test request. Now it is waiting for the response. So in order to capture the response, we are going to create a new issue in our GitHub account. So let's move to GitHub account and here we are just going to move to issues section and click on new issue, and here we are going to give the title as fresh books issues. Okay, and here we are going to select the assignee. So assignee is Pabbly. In my case, you have to select the assignee as per your requirement to whom you want to assign this particular task or the issue. Okay, it's not been selected, I guess. Okay, let us select it again. Okay, now we have to select the label. So I am taking the label as bug. In my case, you can select as per your issue. Okay, and here we are going to give the description of this particular issue. So I have entered the description as same contact is getting created multiple times with different contact IDs. So I have given a random issue over here. If you want to mention the projects, you can select it over here. If you want to mention milestones and the other details, you can select it as per your requirement. And let's click on submit new issue. Okay, and here we can see that the FreshBooks issue is created over here in our GitHub account. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see the responses received and all the details related to the issue are captured over here. Here we can find the issue title. Here we can find the login details. Okay. And even we can find the description also. Okay. And I am finding the description over here as issue body. Okay. Yes. Here we can find the issue description also. That the same contact is getting created multiple times. So now we want that using these details of the issue, automatically a new task should get created into our Freedcamp account. But here we are just going to specify one thing, that here you can see that the issue created date and time is mentioned over here along with the time zones. But for creating a task in Freedcamp, we need the date only and not the time zone. So we have to remove the time and time zone from this particular date. Okay, for that, come to this action step. Choose the application name as date and time formatter. Select the action event as format date only. Click on connect. Now here we have to map the date which needs to get changed. Okay, so let us map the date, that is issue updated at. Now here we have to select the from format. So we have to select the same format, that is YY, MM and DD along with the time zone. So it is correct over here. Now here we have to select the to format, in which format we want to change this particular date. So I want the date in only YY, MM and DD format. Okay. And let's click on save and send test request. So here we have got the date, that is today's date, and we have removed the time zone and the time from this particular date. Now we are going to create a task in Freedcamp. For that, click on this plus sign, add action step. Choose the application name as Freedcamp. Select the action event as create task. Click on connect. Click on add new connection, and now it is asking for the API key. So log into your Freedcamp account to get your API key from here. So I'm just going to click on HERE over here. And here when we scroll down, we have to just come to the integrations tab and click on API. And here we can find the API key. So make sure you have a tick mark on Zapier and Pabbly Connect over here in this particular box. And this particular box is unchecked, that is the expiry box. So make it uncheck and just check this particular box. Copy this API key from here. And you have to paste the same API key over here. And let's click on save. And now the Freedcamp account is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select the project name. So I'll take you to my Freedcamp account where I have already created some projects, that is Pabbly Connect support and Pabbly Connect. So we are going to access this Pabbly Connect support project. And in this project, I have created multiple task list, that is task list, customer issue and integration request. So we want to create the task in this particular task list name customer issue. So I'll be selecting the same task list over here, and before that we'll be selecting the project name as Pabbly Connect support. And now let us select the task list name as customer issue. Now here we have to give the title, its description and other details of the issue that we have created in our GitHub account. So we have already got the issue details from the response of GitHub over here. So we will be mapping these details now. Okay. So let us come to Freedcamp over here and let us map the title from GitHub. So this was the issue title, that is fresh book issues. And here let us map the description. That is same contact is getting created multiple times. Okay. Now here you have to select the priority. So I'm selecting it as a medium. Here let us map the start date which we have got from date and time formatter, that is 10th of April 2022. If you want to specify the due date, you can mention it over here. Now let us select the assignee as Ashi Rai and let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the response is received. It means a new task is created into our Freedcamp account. Let's check it. We have to just refresh this account. Okay, and here we have got a new task named fresh book issues. Okay, and here we can see the title as fresh book issues. Here we can see that it is created by assigned to Ashiyar, priority as medium. Here we can find the due date and here we can find its description. So in this way we can see that our integration is working fine. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. Now once you set this automation, Pabbly Connect is going to create a Freecamp task for each GitHub issue that is opened on a chosen repository. Okay, so let us check this in the real time that whether our integration is actually working fine or not. For that, I'll just move to my GitHub account once again, and here we are going to just create a new issue by clicking on this new issue button. Let's give the title as zero invoicing issue. And let us add the description over here. Unable to create invoices using Pabbly Connect. Okay, I'm just adding a random description over here. Let us select the assignee name as Pabbly. Here let us select the label as I'm selecting it as a bug only. Okay, and if you want to specify the projects, you can specify over here. Let's click on submit new issue. Okay, and here we can see that a new issue is created over here in our GitHub account. Now let us check our Freecamp account. We have to refresh it once again. Okay, and here we can see a new issue created in our Freecamp account. The issue title is zero invoicing issue. And when we open it, here we can find its due date, assigned to, priority, and here we can find its description. So in this way, we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect, and I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. Okay, and I'll just minimize this trigger window also. So first we have created an integration between GitHub and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details of the new issue that you have created into a GitHub account. Then we have put the action step of date and time formatter just because for creating the new task in Freecamp, a specific date format is required. So we have changed the format of the date. And at last, using all these details, automatically a new task was created into your Freecamp account. And in this way, we have created a successful integration between GitHub and Freecamp using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can visit our Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.